guys, so TJ and I walking down the street here in South Lake Tahoe. We're in State Line. We stayed at the Hard Rock Hotel over there last night. That's where we're gonna be staying on this trip. But yeah, we just got into town. They've gotten about 3 feet of snow so far. We're walking over to the Heavenly Gondola right now, and we're about to get some awesome pow. As you can tell, I can barely open my eyes right now because the snow is so hard. It's about to be sick.
Dude, we're finally about to find this soft snow, dude. Only about 3 feet of it.
Yeah, I got new goggles this season, and this is the first time I've had to use my low light lens. And it's the end of January, so pretty stoked right now.
Are we in Japan? Where are we?
Holy cow, it is awesome out here. I think we're on like our 3rd or 4th lap of the day. Been rocking POV so far. I think we're gonna switch to the GoPro stick, do some fall cam. And we're out here just pow hunting right now. It's awesome. There's, you know, a couple feet of snow. It's surprisingly nice and light, not too heavy. So stoked to be out here.
So stoked! You hurt yourself?
I might have broke my
Your board?
a rib.
What'd you hit?
I landed on this. Landed on that.
Oh no. Here, I'll hold your camera.
Over the chair, and we're about to do a traverse into an awesome tree zone that's a little bit hard to get to. I'm gonna go POV right now, and hopefully this is gonna be sick.
How could this be? How can it be? It feels like I'm dreaming, dreaming endlessly, flying so high, Lucy in the sky. We're so damn high, so high. Getting away with you, finding something new.
All right, guys, just wrapped up the day. Just got back to the hotel. You see the Hard Rock behind us there. Super stoked on how today turned out. We were kind of, optimistic about how the snow was going to be, and it was insane. We got the goods all day long. So much fun. More videos coming soon. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, and we will see you guys tomorrow.